Hello students, today our topic is elasticity. Elasticity is in demand and supply both there, but we are reading in the demand only today. Elasticity of demand means, as we know, when there is a change in the price, demand changes. In the previous lesson we have learned that factor affecting demand, whenever there is a change in the factor affecting demand, there is a change in the demand. But the elasticity of demand, here we measure the amount of change in the demand due to change in the price. Elasticity of demand, as we have seen, the demands are of three types: price demand, income demand and cross demand. Price demand is affected by price of the commodity only. Income demand is affected by the income of the consumer, and cross demand when the price of other goods, relative goods, affect the demand. Same here in the elasticity, there is a three types of elasticity. Price elasticity, when the price of the commodity, only price of the commodity affects the demand, makes the change in the demand, that is price elasticity. This is in our course, and other two, income elasticity and cross elasticity, are not in our course. So, demand elasticity, price elasticity of demand means whenever there is a change in the price, there is a change in the demand. But what amount of change occurs in the demand if there is a change in the price, that is defined under the elasticity of demand. So, we can define the elasticity of demand, the quantity of change, amount of change in the demand due to amount of change in the price is called elasticity of demand. Or we can say the percentage change in the demand due to percentage change in the price, it is elasticity of demand. Now, the next topic is, what are the factors which affects the demand, elasticity of demand? There are various factors which affects the elasticity of demand. Now, first, availability of substitute goods. If there is an availability of any commodity for X, its demand will be elastic if the price change. Suppose we have one mobile, it do not have any substitute, only one brand is there. If the price of that brand, your mobile, changes, people have no option and they will purchase the same mobile. Its demand is unchangeable, unelastic. But if there is a availability of substitute goods, in the case of mobile, if there are 10 or 20 or more than 5 mobiles, handsets, brands, if the price of any particular handset changes, obviously people will shift towards the another goods because they have many choices, many availability of substitute goods. So, in the case of substitute goods, the elasticity is there. So, price elasticity is there in the case of substitute goods. If any commodity has a substitute goods, its price will be elastic, its demand will be elastic. Now, next one is postponed of consumption. If you can postpone your consumption, present consumption in the future, its demand will be elastic. But if you can't postpone your present consumption in future, obviously you have to consume that in the present. You can't postpone it. So, its demand will be unelastic. It will not change due to the price. Suppose today I have to go to Bhopal, I have no choice. I can't postpone my journey. So, but natural, I have to hire a four-wheeler, pay the more cost, or price if increases, I book a Tatkal ticket on a high price, I can't postpone my present journey in the future, so its demand will be unelastic. So, its demand will be inelastic in the case of if I can't postpone my consumption. So, present consumption या postponed of consumption is another factors which affects the elasticity. Next is proposition of expenditure. When the major part of the income, where the major part of the income is expended, its demand is inelastic. We can't alter it. But where we are making a little bit expenditure of our income, its demand will be elastic. If I expend more income of my monthly income on my children's education, so I can't deduct in expenditure in that case. So the demand of that commodities, that services which are necessary, where I am making more expenses, it will be inelastic. And where a little portion of the income is expended, its demand will be elastic. Now, nature of consumption. Sometimes necessity good. The nature of good means consumption, या nature of the commodity which has a necessity in the consumer's life, its demand will be inelastic. It will not change with the change in the price of them. But the luxurious good or comfort good, its demand will be elastic. We can postpone that if the price of the luxurious goods increases. Suppose the car's price increases in the month of August or September or October, I will postpone that consumption. It is a necessity goods and I will consume after the downfall of the price. So, nature of the commodity also. Second type of nature of commodity is durable good and non-durable goods. Durable goods price changes, then I can make changes in my demand. It may be elastic, it may be not unelastic. But the non-durable goods, its demand is inelastic. If the goods are non-durable, its demand will be elastic. Suppose bread, I consume bread. Bread is a non-durable goods. It will become useless after 2 days. If the price of that bread decreases, I will purchase it today. But if the price increases or decreases, I will not consume that bread for more than 2 years. 2 दिन में ब्रेड खराब हो जाती है, तो उसकी प्राइस बढ़े या घटे, आई कांट स्टोर इट. अगर मान लीजिए प्राइस घट गई तो मैं ब्रेड को बहुत स्टोर करके नहीं रख लूँगा, क्योंकि वो नॉन ड्यूरेबल चीज़ है. तो उसकी डिमांड जो है इनइलास्टिक होती है, प्राइस से बहुत ज़्यादा अफेक्टेड नहीं होती है नॉन ड्यूरेबल गुड्स की. मगर ड्यूरेबल गुड्स, सपोज एग कैन बी स्टोर्ड फॉर 1 month or 15 days or 20 days. So if the price of egg decreases, I will store the eggs for coming 1 month. फ्रिज और कैपिटल गुड्स जो हैं, ये कूलर, AC, ये ड्यूरेबल गुड्स. इनकी प्राइस अगर घटती है, आई विल परचेज देम इन द प्रेजेंट एंड स्टोर फॉर द फ्यूचर. सो इन ड्यूरेबल गुड्स की जो डिमांड है वो इलास्टिक होगी, नॉन ड्यूरेबल गुड्स की inelastic होगी. There is another factor which affects the elasticity of demand, that is period of time. If the demand is available on a short notice, if I make a demand of Boeing 767 or 737, a jet or aircraft, the time required to fulfill that demand is very big, very large, very vast. it cannot be fulfilled in a short notice. So if the time period for the demand is very huge, very large, its demand will be inelastic. But if a time period for a demand is less, its demand will be elastic. Suppose we go to a restaurant and we order for our dinner, but the time period for supply for dinner is 3 hours, 2 hours, more than that, we will not wait for that. Its demand will be inelastic. But for the instantly, if we get the our demand fulfilled, the price will affect it. अगर किसी वस्तु को की मांग के लिए या डिमांड के लिए बहुत लंबा समय लगता है, जैसे कि बोइंग्स, जेट और बड़ी बड़ी मशीनरीज, एयरक्राफ्ट, एयर स्पेस या राइफल, तो इनको बनाने में बहुत लंबा समय लगता है. ये छोटे समय में इनकी डिमांड फुलफिल नहीं की जा सकती इन 1 ईयर, 10 ईयर, 4 ईयर्स, तो इनकी डिमांड इनइलास्टिक होगी, प्राइस बहुत अफेक्ट नहीं करेगी इनको. मगर जिनकी डिमांड बहुत शॉर्ट नोटिस में पूरी की जा सकती है, उनकी प्राइस अफेक्ट करती है डिमांड को. तो वहाँ पर जहाँ पर प्राइस डिमांड को अफेक्ट करे और उसमें इंक्रीज या डिक्रीज हो जाए डिमांड में, दैट इज इलास्टिक और इनइलास्टिक. पर जो जिनकी डिमांड में कोई असर ना हो, वो अनइलास्टिक कहलाएंगे. अगर डिमांड चेंज होती है, इलास्टिक. डिमांड चेंज नहीं होती है, इनइलास्टिक. ठीक है. अब इसको और भी हम क्लासीफाई करेंगे टाइप्स ऑफ डिमांड में, बट बेसिकली ये भी इलास्टिक, अनइलास्टिक. एक नेक्स्ट फैक्टर विच अफेक्ट्स द डिमांड इज हैबिट. इफ वी हैव एन हैबिट फॉर ए पर्टिकुलर कंजम्पशन और ए पर्टिकुलर गुड, its demand will be inelastic. If I am interested in coffee only, so its demand will be inelastic. Price will not affect it. But if I don't have any choice with tea, coffee or any beverage, I can change from this one to that one, the demand will be elastic. Next factor is joint demand. When 2 or more commodities are demanded in a jointly, like car and the parts of car, there are many parts in the car: wheel, tire, tube, steering, seat cover, any tools, machines, lubricant oil, petrol. There are a huge joint demands in the case of car. If any particular If the car's demand is elastic, the other parts depends upon the supply of car or for the demand of car will be same elastic. So when the two demands or more than 2 commodities are linked with each other, the joint demand, in the joint demand, if one is elastic, another will be elastic. If one is unelastic or unchangeable, the other part will be also unchangeable. Next factor which affects the elasticity is distribution of income. If the distribution of the income is equal or constant, means more people have equal income or the middle class has a big share of the income, they have more demands. So in that case, demand will be elastic. If the income is distributed unequally, only few factors, few society members have an income, and the demand will be inelastic. So another factor which affects the demand is price level. If a general price level in the economy is huge, the demand will be inelastic. अगर पूरी इकोनॉमी में कीमतें ज़्यादा हैं, प्राइस लेवल ज़्यादा हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली डिमांड विल बी अफेक्टेड. और अब कीमतें बढ़ने पर डिमांड नहीं होंगी, इनइलास्टिक होंगी. बट इन द केस वेयर द प्राइस लेवल इज लेस, चीज़ें सस्ती हैं, वहाँ पर प्राइस चेंज करेगी डिमांड को. और इन द केस ऑफ लो प्राइस लेवल, डिमांड विल बी इलास्टिक.